perfect fit comes from Perfit FS. Perfit FS is a fully sintered zirconia block, which means you could save tons of time to make a lot more cases. Stepping out of a crystallization makes the whole process quicker and easier. Remember, scan, design, and mill. So first things first, a nice preparation is key. Do your nice scan for a starter. It's time to visualize what you dream of with it. And now, all you have to do is mill. The fully sintered zirconia block makes everything done within an hour. Perfit FS has come out to the world through endless effort driven by a desire for better. The success of a combination based on R&D changes the whole perception and breaks the stereotype. We all know that the high machinability means the high compatibility. All you have to do is keep your mini machines and let us in. The multi-layered zirconia block brings the natural beauty with multiple choices of your own. The high flexural strength brings down the fractional rates and makes less preparation. Look how various it is. Perfit FS makes wide indications possible. Through the Vickers hardness test, Perfit FS proves itself how strong it is. Now, let's crack on with the results. You can clearly see how durable it is. The 300% stronger fracture toughness gives you less possibility on crack and chipping. A masterpiece lasts forever. The world's first machinable, fully sintered zirconia block. Perfit FS, always on your side. Vartec.